Have you ever wished you were some hotshot celebrity who has tons of girls chasing after you, fighting for your attention, wanting to be with you, and even sleep with you? I mean, who doesn't have that dream? Well, I can't help you with the celebrity part, but I can show you a few easy ways how to make her obsessed with you. When most guys meet a girl, like the number one goal in their head is, I need to be impressive. I have to impress this girl with everything they say or do. They're trying to get rapport. They're trying to get the girl to like them. If the girl shows even a little bit of interest, they try even harder, so that she doesn't lose interest. And this is such a huge mistake. In fact, it's probably the biggest mistake you can make with women. When women notice that a guy is actively trying to be impressive, they know immediately that he craves their approval, or in other words, he's needy. Here's what you do instead. Forget about making impressions, good or bad. Erase the word impress from your mind. Like literally just get rid of it. In fact, today, I want you to adopt a new belief. It's a belief shared only by the top 1% of high-quality men in this world. If I spend enough time with a girl, she's bound to like me, because I'm awesome. This is how the guys who date the most amazing, beautiful, high-quality men think they own it for themselves. They think that it's only a matter of time, until they are attracted to them. So they never worry about making an impression on them. They simply interact with the girl, have fun, express themselves. There's no filter and no signs of doubt and neediness. And guess what? The girl does begin to get attracted. Even if she wasn't at first, a guy who isn't worried about making impressions is inevitably attractive to us. The more we interact with this guy, the more we get attracted and even obsessed with him. 'Cause he's so sure of himself. When interacting with women, most guys fall into two categories. There's the nice guy, who's always positive and complimentary and polite, and on the safe side of the conversation. Then there's the want to be a bad boy, or a tough guy, who is always being edgy and teasing and challenging and so on. Both are equally bad. And here's why you see women crave a range of emotions. If you're nice and positive and complimentary all the time, it becomes predictable and boring. Similarly, if you're constantly edgy and provocative, always teasing and challenging us, that's predictable and also boring. You need to have a range. It's probably something you already do. I mean, think about how you interact with your guy friends or female friends or family members, or just people that you're not attracted to. Are you always positive, or are you always negative and busting their balls? No. Right. When you talk to them, you say some nice things, encourage them, compliment them, but you also tease and challenge and say provocative things and establish boundaries when need be. You don't think about it. You simply need to let yourself do the same around women. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.